welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're just feeding Peter Robin at the moment, and we're talking about seed today, aren't we, Peter? Now, very important when you're sowing your seed, you need a few things. You need seed and cutting soil, very important. This is seed and cutting soil. If you use the wrong compost, you're not going to have success. Isn't that right, Peter? Very important, that's seed and cutting soil. If you use a stodgier compost, your seedlings won't run good roots. This is what we use in Pergola Nurseries. Now we've sown some lettuce seed here in this tray. And lettuce, of course, very easy. That's a butterhead lettuce to get started. And we've put it on top of the seed and cutting soil like that, Peter. And then on top of that, same for tomatoes. Very soon now you can start thinking about sowing some tomato seed. Procedure is the same. Seed and cutting soil, damp it, then the seed, and on top, some vermiculite goes on top. And very important, vermiculite on top will let some light through for germination, and it'll support the little seedlings coming up, Peter. Very important that way. And then when they come up, of course, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, you're ready then to move them into little section packs or into individual pots, ready for planting out later when things warm up. So in your armoury, you're going to need some seeds, of course, plenty of seeds in the web shop, isn't there, Peter? Full of seeds at the moment. You're going to need some seed and cutting soil, use the proper compost, and then some vermiculite on top. And that's the proper grade of vermiculite. Sometimes it's going to be too fine or too chunky. So with a nice vermiculite, perfect for seed sowing. If you get all the ingredients right, you will have success. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.